Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to create the color wheel trend edit in Alight Motion step by step. You'll learn how to add vibrant colors, smooth transitions, and AE-like effects to make your edits stand out. This tutorial is perfect for reels, shorts, and cinematic edits, all done easily in Alight Motion. Preview.
Courir, partir, venir. Courir, partir. Courir, courir. Courir.